Alright, got the trailer. Let's see here. Tie these together. How should I do that right there? That's probably gonna break. See if it works for a day. Okay. Get this thing going.
You want to take any of this up there?
No. Ooh, doggy. That's what's going on. Pretty sturdy filter. This whole tree, when I first looked at it, I thought it was rotten. But I mean, the black oak just really holds its quality on the inside. Overnight, the farm got about 6 inches of snow. If you look on top of the barn, you can't see it from this side. Tomatoes and strawberries yesterday. Lots of snow today. Ooh, nice. You know why you always do your heel strap first?
Why?
Because it sucks your foot back into the binding.
Guys, look.
Those crows.
Okay.
5 crows. Uno, dos, tres. Oh, the poor kitty in the snow. Look at the kitty in the snow. Oh, you're burying him. The farm is right at snow level. It's like 3,100 feet. And in our area, it's right at snow level. So we usually get kind of wet snow, and it only lasts for a day. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3. Still a ton of persimmons. This is the chocolate variety, and this tree was here when we bought the place. But they didn't get very big this year because we never thinned them. There's little guys, but they're good. And the inside's a dark color. Yesterday, when it started snowing, we pulled this cover off of this house because I bought all the metal to put the braces in here, but I haven't done it yet. So we pulled that plastic off, and then we pulled off 2 sets of shade cloth. The bell peppers were still covered with shade. All those peppers, if those things were in a greenhouse, they'd continue to produce for another month. But they froze 2 nights ago. This is a snack pepper. That one's actually still perfect. Wow, that's weird. Some of them don't freeze and some of them do. You can tell by the squishy ones. See, that one's squishy. I noticed yesterday when we were doing this, when we pulled this cover off, that the ones that were the most ripe were the best quality after the freeze. That's kind of interesting. And there's another good one. But look at all these green peppers. It's November 26th. But all these green ones, if they were in a house, I think they would continue to ripen through December, as long as we get sunny days. Another good one.